All right, a few weeks ago, someone gave Dad a bunch of scrap metal and they've hauled a few loads from it. They had a big, is it an excavator? Is that what it's called?
Big track hoe, yeah.
Like a big track hoe, and they actually loaded their trailers down for them to haul it. So it was a great experience. Anyways, there's a grain truck that also came with the place, and so the guy is delivering that right now. So let's go see what's going on. They're the pigs. I gotta stop and say hi to my pet pig. Look at the little babies. I wonder if I could pet one. Look how cute that little. Come here, pet pig. Come here. Come here. They ran. They're so cute. Come here. Come here. Come here. They said nope. For those of y'all who aren't familiar with the farm, here is the scrapyard, as I call it. We got all the vehicles over there. We got trailers full of junk. He's got to unload that because he's got to go get more stuff from that guy. Yeah. This is the scrapyard. There's a school bus down there. He literally has cars full of stuff. He has so much stuff, you guys. But yep, this is the scrapyard. There's Papa's sweater hanging out that truck. There's just piles and piles. We use that trailer, it's not junk. But now we're gonna wait. So what's your system over here?
Got a heavy metal pile, got a tin pile, copper pile, aluminum pile.
Just piles?
Just pile.
Just piles. Someday it'll be piles of money in your pocket. What's your system, buddy?
I have no system.
String and straw, smash and thrash.
Get over that.
The cows came to say hi.
I don't think it's too long. Yeah. You can take it. You kind of heavy stuff going
Well, I don't think you worry about short metal anymore anyway. They ran through the grinder last time.
No, they still haul it short or separate, I think.
Yeah, they ran it through the grinder, remember?
Do they? I don't think they run the short.
Yeah, they did. The last one was short.
Make it different on it.
Yeah.
All right. It's here, the four-wheeler strap there, and then that's full of scrap metal. They delivered it with a dump truck, and they're going down to the scrap pile to see if he could get turned around in his truck down there. Wow. He filled that sucker up. How much do you think that thing weighs?
About 14,000 pounds, probably 10 or 14.
Oh my goodness. Wow. able to dump it, so like we don't even have to touch it.
So you like it right there, Jody? So you like it right there? You probably get in that trough, you think, or no? Hey, you think that's gonna miss? You think I missed that trough? Go ahead.
They decided to move it real quick because it was gonna hit the feed trough right there, and we don't want that to happen. Oh, he's spinning. Oh.
Oh my gosh, this is scary. Should we tie it to something?
Oh.
She got it off. It'll be there in 10 years, won't it?
Yeah.
You ain't gonna do nothing with it, are you?
That's y'all's problem, not mine.
Oh my goodness.
Don't be calling somebody begging them. We can't get this grain truck out of my way.
And there's the feed trough. Oh my goodness.
I'll tell you what. I think it looks good right there.
It looks awesome.
It looks awesome.
All right, so that truck didn't have brakes, and so their plan was to put wood behind the tires, and once they like undid the chains, they were just gonna beat the wood out from behind the tires and the truck would just roll. But the wood that they put behind the tires was so rotten that they like went to smack it and the wood just fell apart. So they ended up having to get a crowbar, and yeah, as y'all saw, but I was just kind of explaining what happened. But that is it for today. They dropped that off and left, and they're gonna go get some more remnants that they have over at his house tomorrow. But yeah, that was an adventure. Anyways, I just want to thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate y'all so much.